Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atri and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, beauty, haul, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Now guys, we all know that skincare is super important, and from the title you know, again this is going to be a skincare video, a brand review. So today I have two products from this brand named the Moms Co. I have their face wash and I have their natural green tea face cream. Now a little about Moms Co. I think you all must be knowing about this brand, the Moms Co. Now this particular brand is very natural, it is very vegan, it is certified as well, it is certified by Australia. So this is dermat tested, this is cruelty free, paraben free, does not have any nasty chemicals, and it works for your skin and for your hair as well, because they have a lot of product range in this particular category. So their main aim, their main motto is to promote nature and also your skincare in a very natural plus scientific way. So I do have their face wash. Now talking about this particular face wash, this is oil control face wash. The hero ingredient of this particular face wash is green tea. Now you all know that green tea is very good for oily skin. It just gently cleans and it also controls acne. It is natural green tea face wash. It does have aloe vera and willow herb as well for oil control. And they say that their green tea face wash gently removes dirt, oil and daily buildup without dehydrating or leaving the skin feeling dry. Now this is absolutely true. Even if I use this in the morning, my skin does not feel dry. And green tea, it also has niacinamide, so it removes excess oil, and aloe vera soothes, and willow herb helps control acne, leaving the skin deeply cleansed and very mattified also, and radiant at the same time. Now this is harmful chemicals free, paraben free, silicone free, mineral free and SLS free. So you can see, like, this is a really good face wash with all the beneficial elements. Now this retails for 298 rupees and this is 100 ml of product. Now the texture, let me show you the texture of the product. Now this is in the gel consistency. If you can see, it does have flakes of green tea as well, and it just cleanses your skin in the best possible way. It just removes all the excess dirt, gunk and whatever is there on your skin. So this is the face wash. Now along with this, I do have their natural green tea face cream also with aloe vera and niacinamide. It moisturizes and control acne. So this particular range focuses on controlling the acne and also keeping your skin very healthy. Now it has green tea, you know, it just controls sebum, soothes skin, niacinamide controls oil, and it also gives you a very good even skin tone. It has squalene, which moisturizes the skin, willow bark, which reduces the pore size. So they say that this is their non-greasy natural green tea cream, hydrates skin with squalene and cucumber. So all these ingredients are really good for our skin. So let's just see the texture of this particular cream. Now I literally love this cream because just see the texture of the cream. This is like super soothing. Like, you see, this is like super duper soothing on your skin. So if you are someone who does not like heavy moisturizer, this is for you because it moisturizes so well. And the packaging of the product are also very classy, very nice. I really love the packaging as well. Okay, so this is how my skin looks after using both the products. Now the cream, let me tell you, it retails for 577 rupees for 50 grams of product, and it is very lightweight. And you can see my skin is not at all dehydrated, and yeah, it is very nicely moisturized, and it is gel based. So this is just leaving my skin a lot radiant and looks amazing. Guys, all in all, these products are really good for our skin, and because it helps in maintaining our skin's pH balance as well as it controls acne. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are facing acne, do give these products a try, and all the links and everything is in the description box, so make sure to check it. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care.